Hey guys, just a quick fix here. I got a huge liver, my wife gave it to me. It weighs like 5 kilos, so you can see. I'm gonna make some pate, and it's frozen and it's hell to cut a frozen liver. You can't do it with a knife, so I brought my tool with me. A bayonet saw, great for many destructional things like cutting a liver. So she said, don't make it dirty. Well, she doesn't know me. Not only a woodworker, but also a genius. Last thing, we need something to put it in. This case on a stool, and it'll fall right into it. Voila. Remember protection, 1 kilo a piece, she said. Genius. Getting messy. Ah. All right, 1, 2. Stinks. I need to try another blade. I used a metal blade first. Now I'm gonna try the wood blade. I thought it will rip the meat more, and it will, but we'll see. Just like that wood blade, guys. What a mess. Just like that. Now I gotta rush these up to my wife in order for her to freeze them down again so they don't become unfrozen, because then you just have to throw it away. I'll be down in a sec. Woo, back again, guys. She got it delivered just as promised. Now take a look at this mess. Yeah, so what did we learn today? Yeah, we learned to make a super fast contraption to hold the frozen liver, and you learned how to best cut a liver, and that is using a saw blade, a bayonet saw with a saw blade. But check it out, it gets quite dirty. Check out. Oh, remove my face, zoom in. There's meat everywhere, like, ugh. Good stuff. Bayonet saw, gotta love it. Saw blades, not metal. See you soon.